strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I walk alone in the night, neath the pale moon.
So as you can see guys, here is the box of the Redmi Note 5. Well, so it is made by Xiaomi. On the bottom, on the top we have the India's #1 company MI logo on the top, Redmi Note 5, Redmi Note 5 and nothing else. This one is the 33GB, 32GB one with the processor of 625 processor, 3GB RAM, 12 megapixel of front camera with selfie, 12 megapixel of rear camera with selfie flash on the front. So let's just open the box and let's see what we got inside of the box without any further ado. So as you can see, we had opened the box and then first we got this one, as you can see. So it is a quick start guide, I think. Oh, we got a new case as well with that one. So it's like a pelican case. It's like flexible case, so never mind, everything is good. So putting the device from outside, we got nothing. Well, I had unboxed this one before, so as you can see, here is the charger. Well, I think it is the fast charger because it like charged in 1 hour to 2 hours, 100%, 0% from 100% in 1 hour to 2 hours. So yes, it is a fast charger. So coming on the device itself, the device looks premium from the all side, and my branding is here as well. Fingerprint sensor, LED flash, camera which is 12 megapixel, front camera 5 megapixel with this selfie flash as well available on this one. So let's just boot up this device, and so as you can see, here is the MI logo that is coming from this one. So yeah, that's the quick unbox. As you can see, we got speaker clips on the bottom, type C port, I think it is type C. And on the top we have the SIM card tray, which is hybrid SIM card tray. On the top we have the air blaster and the headphone jack. So yeah, that's about it. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video, hope you like this video, and I will do a review and more videos like this about this phone in future. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, you are watching Tech Blob. I am Paul and I'm signing out.
Better off as strangers.